Hey Lions, do you want to be pulled or shown the way? Today we're exploring a powerful metaphor that changes how you ask for help and how you give it. By the end, you'll know how to spot tugboat help and how to ask for light, not control. Are you stuck? Working hard but still broke and confused? Trying to feel confident but caught in FOMO and scroll mode? We were all told the American dream looked like this: go to college, get a job, buy a house, retire comfortably. That used to work. Now it leads to student debt, dead-end jobs, financial stress, and 60% of Gen Z feel lost about their future. We need a different plan. One that actually leads to freedom, clarity, and purpose. Meet Stuck. He looks like reality, but he's the voice that keeps you small, safe, and stuck. Stuck says, what if I fail? LionUP says, what if I succeed? But here's the truth. Stuck lies. Every time you choose to lion up instead of listening to Stuck, you take one step closer to your goal zone. Stuck isn't your fault, but staying stuck is a choice. Here we lion up, one tiny win at a time. We move from bronze to silver to the gold zone. We build self-mastery, career clarity, and money confidence to live independently. You have one life. Live it on your terms, not anyone else's. Let's begin. I'm Yakira Yedidia, your independence guide, the creator of LionUP and the Gold Zone Cycle. Want to escape stuck? Subscribe, follow, share this with a friend, and grab the independence quiz in the description. Picture the ocean at night. You're in your little boat, your life, and the waves are doing what waves do. There are two ways someone can help you navigate these waters, and understanding the difference will transform your relationships forever. Your life is the boat. You're a captain of your own vessel, navigating through challenges and opportunities. Waves keep coming. Life's challenges are constant. That's just what waves do in the ocean of existence. Two ways to help. The tugboat. It hooks the line to you and drags you where it thinks you should go. You move, but you don't steer. Someone else controls your direction. The lighthouse, on the other hand, it stands where it stands and throws steady light. It doesn't grab you, it shows you. You steer your own course. Tugboat pulls, lighthouse shines. A lot of us were raised by tugboats. Some of us are tugboats to the people we love. It comes from care, but it keeps people small. Lighthouse love is different. It says, I'll be bright and steady. You choose your path. The difference in love. Tugboat love hooks and drags, controls directions, keeps people dependent, comes from care but limits growth. Lighthouse love provides steady guidance, allows choice, grows independence, says, I'll be bright, you choose. That's the kind of support that grows independence. Lighthouse loves transforms relationship by honoring autonomy while providing unwavering support. How to ask for lighthouse help? Point me. I'll take the step. If you want more lighthouse people in your life, ask for light, not control. It can be as simple as asking someone to point you to the next step, then taking responsibility for trying it yourself. 1. Ask for direction. Can you point me to the next step? 2. Take ownership. I'll try it. You maintain control. 3. Feel the change. The feeling in the room changes completely. How to give lighthouse help. If you're someone who loves to solve problems for others, try this approach instead. Tell me your next tiny move. I'll watch your back. This shifts the dynamics from pushing to seeing, from control to support. You're not being pushed, you're being seen. Tonight's Lighthouse Challenge. If you're watching this with a parent or a partner, talk about lighthouse versus tugboat tonight. This conversation can transform your relationship. Ask for one lighthouse thing. What kind of guidance do you want this week? Offer one lighthouse thing. What steady light can you provide to someone you love? If you're watching alone, you're still not alone. I'm here in your ear on purpose. I believe you can steer. You don't need the perfect plan. You need a kind light and small move. Light travels a long way on dark water. That's how we leave the dock. Not with a tugboat pulling us, but with lighthouse guidance, showing us the way forward. You have everything you need to navigate your own course. Under the skin, we're all lions. When a young lion leaves the pride, it's not because it's ready to do everything. It's because it's ready to learn. I'm Yakira Yedidia, your independence guide. Remember, stuck isn't your fault, but staying stuck is a choice. Be kind, be brave, lion up.
Are you stuck?
Come on!